In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in crypto.com. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide you with the information you need to make a deposit successfully. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to the crypto.com homepage. If you're on a desktop, open your web browser and type in the web address. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of options. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on the deposit feature. Now direct your attention to the deposit button. Clicking this will bring you to a menu where you can choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. This is essential because each type of cryptocurrency might have different steps or requirements. Selecting your desired cryptocurrency is as simple as clicking on the correct option. If you're uncertain, consider checking market trends or your investment goals before making a decision. Once you've chosen the cryptocurrency, the next step is to select a network. Networks vary in transaction speed, fees, and security features. Generally, it's recommended to use a network that matches your cryptocurrency wallet's capabilities for seamless transactions. If you don't see your network immediately, you might need to scroll through the list or search using a specific term. After selecting the network, you'll see an option that allows you to either copy an address or show a barcode. This is a crucial step since it involves transferring funds. You can opt for copying the address if you're comfortable pasting it directly into your wallet app. On the other hand, the barcode can be scanned using a mobile wallet for an instant and convenient deposit method. Be careful during this step, even a single error can misdirect your funds. Double check the address and barcode. Now you're ready to complete the deposit. Make sure you confirm in your wallet app or website that all the details are correct and congruent with the information on the crypto.com site. Double check everything right from the cryptocurrency type to the network and address. Ensure you're satisfied with the transaction before pressing send or confirm. This final check is critical in ensuring a successful deposit. Remember, depending on the network you've selected, the time for transactions to confirm can vary. High traffic on a network might slow down processing. Keep an eye on your account balance to verify when the deposit is completed. Thanks for following along with this guide on depositing money in crypto.com. With these steps, you should feel confident managing cryptocurrency in a structured, efficient, and secure way. Happy investing, and see you next time.